Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is my iQ7 Legend. And as requested by many of you guys, you wanted to see Android Beta 12 on this phone. So this you can see the lock screen. So these are the new ways you can see the notification here. Okay, and if you will just click, it enlarges. Okay, so today we're going to see what are the new features that you can see. Is it usable or not? I will answer in this video, but this is just for your knowledge purpose that how Android 12 looks like on IQ7 Legend, because at the very first instant when it was released, it came with so many bugs that it broke the phone itself. So quickly first showing you the settings. So if you can see the settings is here. So I'm using white theme. I'll turn it to black theme also, dark theme. So first of all, let's see. So you will see there's a different way of presenting here. You can see the device name, and let me just be at the center. You can see the model name here, the device name. It says Android 12. You can see some flickering on the device. It's not on the device, it's just a video recording which is happening, the camera. The build number is this. I'm already a developer option enabled person, so I do it the very first thing. And see the navigation system it has. So I have enabled the gesture for moving the screen back. So the things that you will quickly notice here, that Jovi Home is here, network and internet. So if you will ask me about the calling is working perfectly fine, absolutely fine. There is no issue in calling. Wi-Fi, SMS, everything is working perfectly. To keep the video short, I am not going to this call section, but the features are working perfectly. Bluetooth is nicely getting connected. Apps, you can see everything, it is listed like this. If you will see the Chrome, so I think this interface is very similar with the current one as of now. uh, Notifications, yes, there are so many options which now you can use for, you can see the updated notifications here. And system update is just like the normal one, there is no big change. Battery wise, you can see these are the things, but I do not feel battery information is working perfectly fine, but still. Storage, it is showing like this. I'm quickly taking you through the all options available. Storage, so nearly 17 GB it was free when I installed it first. uh, this is what you can see, system, the 17 GB file, and the remaining are games, etc. I just played for testing this phone. Sounds, there is nothing new, but you can see this bar, and the only option it pushes is like this. So there is not much. This is the first version, and the second version will come in end of the July. So this is the only thing you can see as of now. The media volume, the call volume, the other buttons are not here. You can hear the ringtone. So after this, yeah, one more thing for the sound thing, there is no hi-fi available and no sound settings change. Then the displays here, display, I'll tell you important thing here, dark theme is available. If I enable it, it is there, but I'm just disabling it for recording purpose. And night light is there, colors, boosted adaptive, these are the features which this Q color, I do not know what it does because the feature is broken. And right now it is 120 hertz enabled, there is no option for 60 hertz here. So this is only 120 hertz enabled option, you cannot change it. The battery backup is just like okay, it consumes battery comparatively fast because this is the beta build. Always on display, other settings already there. In terms of security, if I'll say, there is swipe lock, you can put it. The fingerprint, this is not working perfectly. Face unlock, this is also not working perfectly, and it is already a known bug as of now. And Okay, the gaming mode, it says game sidebar, but it doesn't work. I have installed Call of Duty, but it doesn't work on this. There is nothing which can be seen eagle eye enhancement or something. I enabled Call of Duty in this. In terms of privacy mode, we have the old options. I don't think there is anything much to show here. So this is what the setting looked like in the 12 beta version 12. I'll show you the notification. So this is the notification center. You can see it. uh, you can get more options, you can get it changed, but this is quite big for me. And this is how it, you can make it silent and something like this. I have also installed the Antutu benchmark, and I was very much surprised. The first day when I opened my Antutu on Android 11, IQ 11 Legends days, here the Android 12 has 66,76,014. So it is very, very low when it comes to performance. I'm sure because it is a beta build, there is nothing to worry here. But the performance comes very much down here because while testing this Antutu app, I could see some stutter and lags while testing in the video itself. So, and so overall, you can see the performance comes down after this 12 installation. And I have installed Call of Duty on this just to test the game. Let me just start the game. Okay, so let me quickly start the game here, Call of Duty. So you can see there is no bar coming up from the sideways. So the game mode is not active here. Okay, the game start and everything is quite well, everything works fine. The game starts in a considerable manner, so things look fine to me when it comes to gaming. I'll try to just make it a bit fast. I'm just skipping all these intros. So the gaming, the quality, everything looks fine to me. Even while playing, the graphics were good, quite well. It was responding fine. So game playing was not an issue, but that extra game support mode was not there. So I'm just quickly, yeah. While going back, you can see the bars. It is broken from here. If you will see the side ones. So it is. I won't say the games are not playing. Games are working fine. The extra sidebar is not so well supported. When it comes to sounds, there are not extra options enabled, like sound enhancement is not there. Even hi-fi is not there to utilize further. And the other apps are already there. Themes, iManager is here. You can see iManager is available. Themes already provided, so I'm just exiting it. The remaining only the Google apps, and there are no bloatwares available right now because it's a just a testing build. Video app is there, so most of the apps which are required, they are available in this build in Android 12 version. And see, this Vivo App Store is also available here. I have configured Gmail. So, personally, if you will ask me, I uh, I was just very much excited to see some new good features there. If you will see, there's the same button there. So the new way of notification. I was expecting so many new things, but as of now, I couldn't see new things much there. You can see the notification bar itself. It's a bit bigger, I feel, so it's quite big. There is option to just restrict it to a small size, but apart from this, Play Store, everything is working fine, all the apps and Google Map, YouTube. So the only thing which didn't work for me prior was this browser. It was crashing whenever I was trying to open uh, this app. It was crashing, but after opening it 2 3 times, it is at least working. It is okay, again it is not working. So yes, you can consider it a broken feature, their own browser. But yeah, if you will look into Chrome, Chrome is working fine. It is working fine. So I downloaded AnTuTu Benchmark for testing, and it is working fine. Chrome and other Google apps, files, everything working perfectly fine on this. You will get IQ and IQ Legend, cloud storage. Some apps, like, it recommends you app, but it do not pushes it by its own. So that's something good. So these were the things which I wanted to tell you. Quick about the camera. So the camera is also working perfectly fine, selfie and everything. If you will see the options, these options are the same one which is already available. So in terms of option also, I won't say anything new here. So the camera is using the same build. So, and same is for selfie camera also. So there is nothing much to display there. So I think the music, the display, the UI, and this is the Jovi UI. We were seeing it here. You can see the sidebar, the Jovi assistant, you can see. So these are the things that Jovi provides you, the extra information. So these are the things you can see, like, drink water, sports. These are the things which you will get this Jovi AI help you for. So, and yes, music app is there. I do not have anything to play, but it was supposed to bring a music icon here. I couldn't test it. So let me quickly download a song and then we'll test it. So for testing, I downloaded this sound. So you can see the music. I'll reduce the volume. So you can see this is how it plays the music widget here. So I wanted to show you this thing, the music widget. So this is how it works. And the pic editor, video clips, the album, the gallery, the messaging, and yes, it has that Google dialer also. So that also you can think. So I think overall, if I have to say about the build, okay, now let's quickly let me show you the dark theme also, because I have shown you, I think, everything which I wanted uh, in. Okay, let me go. And as I told you before, it has no 120 and 160 hertz feature switch. It is on 120 hertz itself. And this is how the dark theme. So you will see it has some glitches, right? So there is like a broken animation which appears there. And if you will see this uh, sound notification like this, so in dark theme it looks like this, the notification bar, it turns black like this, and this is the launcher. If you want to see the all apps, it has a lock collection app also. So I think right now I have covered most of the features which you guys wanted to ask for regarding this gaming. Gaming work perfectly, but do not support the ultra gaming modes. The dark theme, it looks like this. Don't ask me about the green tint issue, because I'm sure it will be there. And plus it is a beta build. The music, Google apps, each and every Google app works here, so no problem at all. And the game space is there like this. Call of Duty, open, got it, got it, got it. But I do not see any extra option getting enabled from left or right. You can see. Even I feel this, the option here, it seems like a shadow itself. So there was a struggle for closing this game or minimize it. So this game space is what I felt new. I'm not sure it was there before itself. You guys can comment and just let me know. YouTube, you music, each and every app is currently functional. If you want to use it, for calling and other feature, internet surfing, everything is working definitely fine. But the animation seems to be broken as of now. Only the animation seems to be broken, as I showed you. If you will go to this, it shows a very glitchy sort of animation. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, Bluetooth, everything is working fine. If you will see this Chromebook, Nearby Share, Android Auto, these are the options right now available. And one thing I felt like, this network and internet Wi-Fi was working far more better in this build. I do not know what magic it did, though it is in a beta state, but it was working perfectly fine. So guys, that was all about Android 12 beta. This is a default wallpaper, and it's not like the Legend, the Android 11 version wallpaper. This is the default wallpaper here. And if you want to see the launcher, this is the home settings, and there is nothing much like here. It is a very similar one. Clear all. It does the same thing, and these gestures, as I already told you, the way to go back. So I think I have shown you all the features which were requested and how it looks like on an iQ7 Legend with the Android 12. And I hope you guys find it useful. I'll suggest to not use directly for this your daily phone, um, though it is quite stable in terms of main functionality, calling and other features, but still it has so many bugs, so it's not much reliable. But this is how it looks. These are the options available, and beta 2 is going to release by the end of July, so you can wait for it. I'll definitely try to upload. If you find this video useful and you were waiting for it, please subscribe my channel and like this video, share it as much as possible, and don't forget to subscribe for supporting me, guys. Keep showering your love. Thank you so much for nice comments, and have a nice day. Thanks, guys.